Kia ora everybody, Chris Farhi here from the Bayleys Insights team. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick update on the latest housing market activity over the past month, plus a snapshot of some real world sales. From a big picture perspective, the New Zealand and Auckland median house price had a very slight recovery over the past month after several months of reductions. That left the median house price for New Zealand at $890,000 and the median for Auckland at $1.2 million. And so those prices are pretty similar to where they were in September and October in 2021. In terms of sales volumes in the market, the number of sales during March was about 30 or 40% lower than the same time 12 months ago, but there's still plenty of properties selling, with around 6,700 properties selling across New Zealand during March. At the coalface, our teams are reporting that the market for higher end properties has been more resilient than the lower end properties, and we think that this is largely due to affordability issues. So for example, the tightening of bank lending criteria off the back of the CCCFA and the recent rises in interest rates. In the coming months, a couple of things that are on our radar are the loosening of bank lending criteria once the further changes to the CCCFA are implemented in June and July, and then also the unknown impact of migration once the borders fully reopen. So to help bring this all to life, here's a couple of real-world sales transactions that line up with the median house prices. First off, the median house price for New Zealand during March was $890,000. Showcasing this median is 2295 Whangarei Heads Road in Whangarei. So this is a 3-bedroom home with views of the water and views of the Whangarei Heads. This property was marketed by Kirsty McCorkindale from Bayleys Whangarei and sold under the hammer at auction. Now interestingly, the vendor for that property also owned a spare site next door, and they also took that to auction on the same day, and that also sold under the hammer but to a separate buyer. Now around the same price you could have bought 79 North Street in Ashurst in Palmerston North. So this is a modern 4-bedroom brick and tile home. It was sold by negotiation by Whetu Nanagara and Mark Sampson from Bayleys in Palmerston North. Alternatively, you could have gone to the South Island and purchased 2 City Road in Roslyn in Dunedin. This is a 3-bedroom home sold by Alice Munro from Bayleys Dunedin Highgate. This was marketed by deadline sale and was sold to a local buyer. Meanwhile, up in Auckland, the median house price was $1.2 million. Showcasing this, we have 1193 Gribblehurst Road in Sandringham. This is a 2-bedroom brand new apartment in a central location. This property was sold by Amy Keto and Louise Stringer from Bayleys Central Residential, and this property was sold by negotiation. Finally, for the same money, you could have gone down to Christchurch and bought 211 Highstead Road in Casebrook. So this is a 3-bedroom home built in 2018, super tidy. This property was marketed by Julia Ashmore Smith and was sold around 3 weeks after its auction. One of the things that you can observe from those sales is that there's quite a variety of methods of sale that are being used to achieve successful results around the country, and this is often influenced by the price point, nature of the property and its location. And so that means that if you are looking to sell in the short term, you should get advice from your preferred agent about the method of sale that they think will be most effective for your property.